as tall in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Can't imagine. This one is our second tallest building. This is Marina City, a city within a city. Now remember that Mies said no right angles in nature, sorry, Bertrand Goldberg, at 51 feet, 110 stories. On the 103rd floor, we have 5 retractable awnings. You can see red brick. If you look up to the middle there, you'll see a clock tower. Most buildings at this time of the century had a clock tower, so the citizens knew what time. The largest building in the world for a time, at 4.25 million square feet. Now it is, this is the merchandise mart, now it is the second largest after the Pentagon. It's the Mather Tower from 1929. This is neo-Gothic. It was meant to be 2 towers, but we had the crash of 1929, and that never happened. There's no one on this boat old enough, I don't think, to remember that. But as I pointed out when we left, and we're opposite where we left actually, this is Beaux-Arts, this is the London Guarantee building from 1923, Alfred Alschuler. It had a jazz club inside called the London House. And when the London House Hotel took over, the hotel group, they kept that name, and in 2016 it was renamed the London House. Now, if you remember from when we started, the lake used to come all the way here. And as we go under Dusable Bridge now, this is where it was really man-made and expanded to have a much wider channel out to the lake. The building on your right is from 1933 on a champagne bottle. Now immediately to your right, Mr. Bofill was an artist from the Catalan, architect, sorry, from Baptiste Point du Sable had his trading post. And now we've got the Apple Store from 2017, definitely a 21st century trading post. Yeah. Elio Saruman, that gave us our tour, has 101 floors, Trump Tower 92. This opened in 2021 as condos, and just last year as the hotel and restaurants. It's a beautiful building actually.